I'm a humpback whale. Matthew, just stop. Go vacuum the house. We got some chores to do. No, I'm gonna be a whale. You're not a whale. Just vacuum the house. No. Say no one more time. Say it one more time, come on. I dare you. No. Let me raise the roof. You're not gonna raise the roof, just vacuum the house. I don't know how to vacuum the house. Yeah, you do. Vacuum the house. Matthew. Just vacuum the forking house. Wait, I will be right back. There. Matthew, why do you have makeup on? I just got it. Got where? You're not supposed to have makeup on. Where the fork did you get makeup from? From my girlfriend. You have a girlfriend? I didn't know you had a girlfriend. What was her name? Stella. You shouldn't take makeup from her. Just vacuum the floor.